You must have heard about network marketing, but still cannot pinpoint how it could help you financially. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 reasons why you should increase your income using network marketing. Number 1, low startup costs. Businesses like real estate, mining, oil, and top industries requires huge startup capital, which the average person does not have the capacity to acquire. But network marketing companies today require a minimal startup capital, which gives everyone, irrespective of their social status, the opportunity to get started with a business that has the potential to grow to the level of large corporations. Number 2, scalability. For example, most traditional businesses are restricted to their locations and do not find it easy to get into other markets. One of the major challenges in this regard is the cost factor to rent out more outlets for local business. The formal job is not left out because there is a limit to the amount of money you can make even though you work harder for other companies. But in network marketing business, you can grow your network marketing business globally and to any level that you want, irrespective of location, because technology has made it easier to build in different markets outside your geographical location through the internet. This is good for your financial portfolio, preferably as you work towards building your vision and taking care of the important people in your life. Number 3, the job market is volatile. What do I mean by this? It simply means that you can be replaced at any point in time, even without your knowledge. Currently, in most parts of the world, jobs are being replaced by robots, leaving many people unemployed because companies want to cut down on expenses. Some companies go the extra mile of either overworking or underpaying their employees. So there is no guarantee that you will have your job tomorrow. However, don't leave your job immediately you join a network marketing company. Build your network marketing business on the side as a side hustle and leave the job when you have gained grounds in the network marketing business. Number 4, proven systems to follow. Back in the days, some of the business owners went through trial and error approach to find their winning formula to grow their businesses. And this approach of trial and error was very detrimental to them as they lost both significant amounts of time and money. Network marketing companies have training programs that teach you the system to follow in order to build your business successfully. So instead of going through trial and error, you can follow the directions of a coach in your field. And this could save you a tremendous amount of time, energy, and money. The training programs teach you the importance of having the right mindset and the skills required to build the business. Lastly, number 5, flexibility. One of the great things about building your network marketing business is that it does not affect other business or job engagements you currently have. Most people in the network marketing business carry out activities in the business after working hours and over the weekend. But even at that, they still maintain discipline to do the required activities that will make them the money in the business. Don't forget, network marketing is a business of the 21st century, and now is the time to take up the opportunity and create a better future for you and your family. Thanks for watching. Click to watch the next video for a very profitable network marketing company to venture into. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification button to stay updated on more helpful videos.